Hey guys, if you are new here, I'm Sylvia. Today I show you how I made this illustration. For the first steps, I used Windows Word program. I have a new document. Then I turn it with 90 degrees to have a horizontal page. I set the margins to the smallest. Then I type the HOME letters. I set the size of the letters at least 200 to see the shape of the letters. You can choose from the basic fonts what the program have, but if you don't find what you would like to see, you can download it from the web, for example from the dafont.com or from the Google Fonts. I chose this one named Britannic Bold and I made it bold. Then I set the size of the letters. I put it in the middle and I think it's good. If you are satisfied with the result, you can print it out. It doesn't matter what kind of printer you have, whether it's an inkjet or a laser, because we will use it only as a pattern. What is really important to be as black as it can be, because we will put another paper on it and we need to see the letters below. I use a plastic sheet to harden it. If you have a LED board, you can copy it easily. I don't have, so I will use my window and the sun. For the first layer, I will use a very light gray color as a background. I chose 5 colors and painted out just to see if they will harmonize with each other. I will use these colors and at the end I will mix them with each other. I filled out the letters as much as I can with watercolor, but at the end I felt that something is missing. So I made a high quality photo from the illustration and I used the Autodesk Sketchbook application to complete the pattern. And now it's ready. Hope you like this video. Bye bye!